So welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be wiring up the ditch lights. So as I've mentioned on the previous video, I have this wiring loom. They're generic and most probably made in China. So but I actually didn't want to use this because most of the wires we're gonna be wasting because we're not gonna use it. Like for example, the wires from here to here and this one, so you won't be using that. And we might remove this later on because I do like having a fuse box, because so this is just one of 5 that we're going to be putting relay on. We've got scene lights left, right and rear. We've got auxiliary fan, and I think there's 5, and then this one. So that's about 4. So let's say about 5, just in case we need another. We need a spare. So, but because I already have this, might as well use it for now. So that's it. It's very easy. This goes to a positive, and then this goes to a ground, and then the black one goes to the light. No. The black one, so the black one is a ground, and then the white one is a positive for the light, and then the other white one goes to a switch. So if you analyze this, so the white, so if you see, so the white one is the switch side, which should be a positive because it's grounded. So this side is a switch side, and then this is the load side. So this is loaded, and then this goes to the light. So that's it. So we are not going to use the switch, because I've got switches which I already installed, because one of the switch that I have this paired, because I've got this, so I've got these dual switches. The one of the Pajero now has the traction control on top and lights on the bottom. So that's where we're gonna hook this up. So let's do this. So the first thing that we need to decide on is where to mount the relay. So general rule is it should be in between the battery and the one that you're powering. So because we are going to be considering the other upgrades that we're going to be doing, like the fan. So the fan is going to be there, and the lights will be here. The other lights will be far away from the back, which is the sides and the rear. So there is actually no common in between, so we might as well just, I don't know, here we'll 5 feet here. 1, 2, no, or I think here is good, and then I'll just put a bracket somewhere here where we will mount this one, and then the fuse box will be on the side. I think that's good. I think I like that plan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, let's just put some slack on the wires, so we can, if ever we do change our mind, we can move it. Okay, so first let's remove the switch. So this harness is actually good if you don't have switches, because it comes with a switch. For me, I already have, so okay. So let's see, here's another thing, because this goes there, and you see this wire is inside this housing. So this is what you wouldn't like about kits. So now we need to pull this off of the harness and make one that goes straight here. So I think it's better to have the right side permanently fixed, so we can determine a very specific length, so we can relocate those two. It's good practice to double check the polarity, because sometimes, you know, if you buy China products, they interchange the color for the polarity. So this is correct. So both are correct. So white goes to red, and then black goes to black. So let's cut this off so we can relocate it. So now let's route this. So we can cut the excess wire. So now all we have to do is to tap these two here, and then black to a ground, and then red to the positive, and then this white one goes inside the cabin. So to get the white wire inside the cabin, we poke through that one and then insert a wire, and then we're gonna pull the white wire through that grommet. So I have routed the switch wire there, and then we already mounted the relay temporarily. So I want the bracket there so we can line up all the relays, and then we have tapped the positive, and then the ground is here, and then that's the fuse. So all that we need to do now is to zip tie these cables, and then let's test it. Then it's a success. Let's test it tonight, and then let's correct the angle, and that's it. Hope you like this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.